Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working on some bracelets and I didn't put the camera on. I apologize for that. But I was working on just some bracelets and I really dig the way they came out. Just a nice little stack. So we have all kind of beads up in there, some bone beads, some jade, some agate, some hand painted beads, some boho beads. Just a really nice collection. And this is going to go on the fair.com website. And just wanted to let you guys know too that I'm working on all the details for the jewelry making competition. And I was thinking that we'll do at least 6 pieces, between 6 and 7 pieces. And then we'll have maybe a good 2 weeks to do that because I do know that, people have lives and we have things that we're doing. And I remember the last competition I did, I think I gave us like maybe 4 days to make 5 or 6 pieces. I don't even remember, but I know it was kind of rushed. But everybody did really well, made some really pretty pieces, and that one it was a $25 gift card to, it might have been Joann's, I don't remember. But this time it'll be a little bit more in the form of a gift card, and I might just go ahead and cash app somebody, whoever wins. Cash app. I'm not really sure about the amount yet, but I do know it'll be more than $25. So it'll be more than likely 6 pieces that we'll make, and it can be a variety like bracelets, necklaces, earrings. And I know some of us are more comfortable making bracelets than we are making necklaces or earrings, but we want to kind of switch it up and, like really push our creativity. Because you guys make some beautiful pieces in the Jewelry by BDK Creators Zone Facebook group. I mean, really, really nice items, absolutely amazing. So just kind of situate your mind. Those of you that are going to participate, we're going to do about 6 pieces. I'm going to give us 2 weeks, and I'll be posting something. If not tomorrow, it'll be Friday, but it is going to come up soon with all the details. Okay. And we'll talk soon.